Our World from Space is a 2-year national STEM programme exploring the relevance of UK space science for the future health and sustainability of our planet. Run by the Association for Science and Discovery Centres and funded by the UK Space Agency in partnership with the Natural Environment Research Council, which is part of UKRI. The programme is being run by 22 science and discovery centres and museums across the whole of the UK up until December 2024.
Our World from Space is an incredibly exciting and important part of UK Space Agency's Inspiration programme.
A highlight of the project for us has been our space camp. We've invited primary school children from across Dundee to join us for a week of space-themed activities.
Here at the Space Centre, we've been using lots of different techniques to pass that information on to our audiences. So some of the activities we've been doing during our Easter holidays, we've been running talks, we've been running hands-on drop-in sessions, making things from satellite hats, looking at how solar power is important in getting satellites to work, and looking at what satellites we use for different types of jobs in space.
Some of the highlights of delivering the programme so far have been travelling all around Northern Ireland and delivering the project to school.
Building satellites out of junk and making kind of real decisions based on how heavy the satellite is versus what equipment they need on their satellite based on the job and the role that that satellite's going to do.
We've got a focus on global issues, so we've been looking at things about biodiversity loss, climate change of course, and pollution, and we're bringing all of those into the project and making it locally relevant.